Is everything okay?
Everything is okay.
What are you doing inside?
Are you looking for a wife?
Why would you ask that? That's not the question I asked.
That's my own question. Like my mother is single and she's
Oh
like
God.
her heart is pieces.
Okay,
She's
fine.
totally undividable. So she went to look for a mechanic to fix her car because her car is broken up. And and I say as a good parental kid, let me know if I can assist my mother in any way and get
okay.
a minglership.
Can you calm down?
Calm down. Together.
Oh, calm down, okay? What's the problem and where is your mother?
Like that, I said it in my explanation that my mother is because her car. This is my mother's car.
Okay.
Her car broke down, so she went to find a mechanic that will help her fix it up.
Okay.
So how far your body now? Like, are you free to mingle?
We'll see about that.
See, do you know that woman that is coming? That's my mother. That fair one. You like her?
Oh.
You like her, V? She enter your eye.
Your mother?
Sharp man.
Yeah.
That's my mother. Once she call like this, collect her contact and mingle with her. Okay?
Okay.
Now she be my mama.
Is this the car?
Yes.
You like her, Mabi? You like her?
I just left
Talk
it open.
nicely. You like her?
Carol?
Hi.
Hmm?
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Please, how may I help you?
I was passing by and I saw this child inside the car. It seems she was looking for something. So I asked her and she said, the car broke down and you went to look for a mechanic.
Yes, it's my car. It broke down while we were driving home. I just went to look for a mechanic. I couldn't find one, so he came along to help.
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. So what's the problem?
I don't know. He just stopped driving.
Oh. Okay, let's try something. Turn on the ignition. Let's see. Okay, no problem. I'll leave.
You sure?
Yeah.
Do you don't look like a mechanic though?
Oh,
what
yes.
do you know about cars?
Not much, but then I have knowledge about cars, especially Mercedes-Benz. Let's try.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's try, right?
All right, let's try.
So, back to what you were saying. How you say?
Okay.
Brother, thank you. I thank you. Thank you. Last, I don't go city. Make her go stay with my mama. Mama will abandon me since for village. Oh, Allah. This one is improvement.
Yes, Carol, you're coming to live with me now, okay? But I didn't tell him yet that I have a child, okay? So you and I will not be acting like mother and daughter for now only, okay? For now.
No, there's no need. No, just tell him that you have a daughter now. There's nothing too serious there. Just tell him like I have a daughter and she's coming over. Simple.
Look, it's not that simple, okay? I'm just going to tell him that you're my friend's daughter.
Never.
That my friend is late.
Never. I can never accept it though. You know, say before you tell me make a day village, they call you Auntie Meg. Make people not know say now you born me. Now when you won't finally accept me, man will come make you not accept me back. No. I go tell and say it my mama. If you don't like you, make you get that.
Carol, please. You have to understand, okay? Men are scarce. Not in this street. It's not easy for single mothers like me. They haven't even married women without children, let alone me with a child who's as mischievous as you.
I mean, are you wouldn't mischievous? You get pikin, you know one day proud say, oh, see my pikin no. They had your pikin. They hide them. Must you marry? Must you marry? You dey stress me with your man life.
Carol, you will watch your tongue, okay? But then I still want you to do this for me. Do this for your mother. Do this for me. Look, I promise that it will be over soon. It's just for a short while. I just want this man to propose to me officially. Okay? Once he does that and we get married, I promise, my darling, I will tell him about you.
Okay? I no green. No vex, I no green. If my mama and my mama you go be. I know they hide anything again. Serious, I know they hide anything again. It cannot say that one. Now you check her now. You check her now. I see be small picking. Nobody should they call mommy. If you want me make her they call auntie, you no good now. You no good now.
Carol, please just do this for me. I need this. I need this. Please listen, I just need you to be on your best behavior, okay? I promise. If you're on your best behavior, I will buy you plenty nice things. Plenty. I promise you. Will you do this for me, please? Huh? Please. I just want to get married. My darling, just don't forget one thing. I am not your mother, okay? Always call me Auntie Meg. Hmm? You will, right? Look, they're from abroad, so I need you to behave very well, okay? Who knows? They might even take us abroad if we get married. And he has a son, okay? He's about your age. You will like him.
Okay, he get son, they proud of his son. You get daughter, you not they proud of your daughter. This is the way they do you good. So now only his son will come they call daddy. Me, I no come get mommy. Or but say now me. Oh, wow.
It's just for a short while, like I said.
You get picky, you don't want to accept your picking. How God want take bless you?
Carol,
I don't be blessing.
as you know, I am okay. I just need a husband.
Because I get mama like you.
Shh.
Mama will deny him picking. Wait. Leave me. You know I know I dey vex for you already. Don't drag me like that. I beg.
Come, Carol. I have told you to behave yourself while you're here. Now that I've said you can live with me, behave yourself. Listen, if you continue this way, I will send you back to the village. So, shh.
I don't even know what I talk in heaven. We may go carry mama waiting like it.
I am not your
Where
mother.
would they go now? I don't hear you.
I am not your mother. Your bag.
Leave am there. I will carry her.
So where do you think you're going?
Go I go enjoy you. I go enjoy you. Want me to enjoy you here now? I dey in bad mood. Like I dey in bad mood.
What are you
You
doing?
understand?
Stop! Carol!
No. Nine first. They
It's
touch
okay.
me now.
It's okay. So what's wrong with you? Don't do that. Come
here.
here. Come here. It's okay, darling. You were eating, right? Hi, babe.
What did happen for here?
Oh, nothing. They were just playing.
Who she be?
Yeah, she's the one I told you about. My late friend's daughter that's coming to live with me.
Oh.
Let me give you some popcorn.
How are you?
I'm very fine.
That's
Pardon
what she
her.
they do?
No, you know she just lost her mom, right? She's still in mourning. It's really affecting her mood.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
See, I told you. Shh. I'll just take her to her room, okay? Come, let's go. Come.
Her bloody heart.
It's okay, Jason. We'll be back.
Stand.
Daddy,
What is doing? Please don't make it. Don't think. Why do you say like this?
That is bloodshed. It's bloodshed.
Come here. Come. You be like. I go the place. Come, go sit down for there. What did they do? You never see person before.
I'm a bloodshed.
If I was you, you go know yourself. It's like you know the year old. Why did they disturb her? What did they do? What she give you?
I know to do not.
It's just sweet though. Who give you for free? You carry on.
That young handsome you acted rudely to is a billionaire. He came from USA, okay? And he's living with me because he's yet to complete his own building. And he's got some business issues he's trying to resolve. Do you hear me?
They sucker you, they believe. USA, United States of Abangwa.
Quiet.
With that accent. You know they even listen to your stuff. You know they listen to you don't see the pitch where that small pikin they blow. They add for next they go tell you say they fake that thing. I don't understand.
Carol, be very careful. Just a few minutes that you came into this place, fights everywhere.
Why I no go
Must
fight?
you fight?
No, man,
Can you not control yourself?
Why no go fight? No, tell me why I no go fight? Make that small pikin intimidate me from my mama house.
Shh, what's your mother?
No, more I no go fight. I go fight for my rights now. Now my right I dey fight for. Because if they deny me now, he go come to say, I be made. He go come to intimidate me for my no. I go
Carol,
do
be
my
careful.
thing.
Look, it will not take me anything to send you back to the village. I have accepted you come live with me. But if you misbehave like I told you in the car, Carol, I will send you back in a second, in the blink of an eye. Don't test me.
Send me back.
Don't test me.
Send me better.
Take your time.
Send me back.
Shut up
Send me
and take
back.
your time.
Send me back. Send me back. I don't go there. They see my mother. They hide me. Send me back. Send me back. You go better there. Say I did there. Nobody know me. Say I get mama. That's how I come to my house. Another picking go they insult me. Or I go they call you auntie. Meaning what now? No, meaning what? That's why they deny me because of he gets your picking no. Picking even will pass me safe. He get proud of him picking you, they hide me. I not blame you, now still finish. Like you don't already see me, I don't cast for where you did. I not blame you. No one.
Hey. My love. I'm so sorry I came back at this time. Okay.
No wahala.
I'm sorry. What will you have for lunch? What should I make you?
Shit, man. Let's see. Yam periwinkle.
Okay, I think I have that in the house. I'll make it.
Okay. You see, what thing happened before? It no make sense. That girl you carry come here, the girl they very very rude. Me I want say hello. She said shoo. Make her not touch her. It don't make sense. So I don't know why.
I know, babe.
Yeah, because it's a respect. You come this house, you respect me, respect my son. Abi, not be so?
Yes. Yes.
Because the way she
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. I told you she's still mourning her mother, and also
since morning,
it's been even been longer
since
than
morning,
this. No, it's
and it's afternoon, it's the morning, mother.
no, like she's she lost her mom, right? So she's sad. She's not happy at all. So it's really affecting her.
Oh.
And the truth is, babe, she has to live with me for now. I can't avoid it. Because her mom, I was owing her before she passed. Yeah, she gave me the money I used to start my business. This is what I can do to pay her back.
The mama get money?
Yes, before she passed, she gave me money. Yeah, I couldn't pay back before she passed. That's why.
No.
I'm sorry. I promise I will work on her attitude, okay? She's just crude. She's been in the village all her life.
No, you talk and finish.
Okay, babe. You talk and finish. I always tell you, babe, the way you speak this your American accent, mix it with our Nigerian broken English. It's just nice.
Sorry. Oh wow. You mean come. You like it?
Yeah, it's just different.
Thank you.
So where again did you live in Washington DC, right? Mm-hmm. Where did you live there? What city?
It's good.
What? Sorry? Do you mean Houston?
Yes.
Houston. But I thought it's Houston, Texas, right?
Yes.
No, we don't have
Texas.
Houston, DC. No, Houston is not in DC. It's in Texas.
Yes, DC, Texas.
Okay, so you lived in Houston, Texas, right? That's it. Oh my goodness! Look at that. I told you the way you just use your accent, your American accent, and just mix it with our Nigerian broken, and it's just unique. I love it. Top notch. That's the word. I love you.
Go prepare food.
You said yam and periwinkle, right?
Periwinkle.
I have that. Lunch coming right up.
Okay.
Houston burger.
Mona, God save me. If I don't catch me, red-handed, blue-handed, white-handed. You say, why you dey claim Yankee? You don't even do research. You don't know where you stay. Eh? So you really get where they call Houston, Texas. Ha! Small thing. Come on. Make I go tell this boy. They go ask him the same thing. That woman, this my friend. She ask you anything like where would they shut up? Where would they ask you? She ask you anything concerning where would they stay? Like where would they come the state? Where would they stay for America? She ask you anything like okay, very good. If she ask you where will they stay for America, then I'm saying we stay in Houston. You know, say this thing what they do, you just had the food play. Now waiting for fit. That's what I'm saying. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello. Hello. Oga, I swear if you touch me again, if you want to touch me again, I will tell you something that will break your heart. I'm not understanding.
Come. I don't they look you. It be like get respect. What is they wrong? Say I touch you now.
There's no having respect. They speak, they teach your picking. They come from America. America, where they backyard, Abangwa. I've been a bakereke.
Babe,
What?
should I dish all the yam and periwinkle, or maybe I should split it? You can eat some now.
Oh no. Bring them, make we chop them.
Bring all of them. One man with good taste. Make it bring everything. Like that, they bring the money.
Will you shut up?
Wait.
Please, I'm sorry.
No. You see, I don't know what you since.
So what do you want to do now?
I don't know what.
What
You
is-
see,
what is-
this guy should not get respect.
Yes, you don't get respect.
He.
Carol, quiet.
Quiet. Listen.
Wait. You didn't hear what she did talk?
She's not talking to
You didn't hear what she did talk? You know what?
Where's people from abroad but they speak pidgin? Pidgin, they add for that. Speak one pure English and let me make I know.
You didn't hear what she did talk?
No, you know, all they don't scatter for you and your son.
Wait, are they following you to talk back to me? What did I talk with you wrong now?
No, what me I talk where they wrong too? What did I talk where they wrong?
Carol, we talked about this. Keep quiet, babe. I told you she's
She
from
do
the
not
village.
have respect.
Which kind of thing be this? What did I talk with you wrong now? Say I say make you bring all the yam.
Like the way they talk. This your own accent. You know they irritate you for a year. Although you.
What do you know about abroad?
No.
What do you know about
No,
abroad?
this one, she don't talk everything she want talk. We not chop again. Make she chop the food.
Please, why
No,
now?
I'm not chopping
Babe,
again.
I took so long.
I'm not chopping.
see
We are
now?
not chopping. Make.
belly is turning me.
You see, Jason is hungry. I didn't let Jason eat. Jason, come and eat. Come and eat, okay?
You know the chop. Leave her.
Baby.
Turning me. My belly is turning me.
If I'm not
I
you,
don't
if
want
I'm
to
not
drink
Jason is
that.
hungry.
I don't want to drink.
Babe, let Jason
Babe.
eat. I'm sorry, babe. Carol,
Give me the food, make a chop for
will you
them.
shut? What did I tell you?
I not do anything now.
You will make me strangle you in this house. I will so beat you.
Because of man.
Carol, I told you, I warned you that if you misbehave, I will send you back to the village. You're going to force me to do that, this girl.
Look at us, if you take threatening me, which I will cast the wood.
And I will not let you.
No be even my mama. Make a talk aloud.
Carol, don't spoil this marriage for me. They send you. Don't spoil this marriage for me. Do you hear me?
They feed man, they do everything. Man go see the control you up and down.
Oh, babe, I'm sorry. Listen, you want to be eating good food in this house? Then you will behave yourself. And the only thing you can do right now to make things right is go out there and apologize to them.
Oh, forgive me. If I do, I make a bend. Allah. I'm not going to do it.
Then you will not eat in this house again.
Okay, now.
Do you hear me? And I will beat you.
Wow. As they beat me, they tell them, say, I eat my mama.
I will beat.
Not me, my mama.
Babe!
They talk, they play.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm
All
sorry.
of
please,
us, they
please
cast
come back.
ourselves. They fake our lives like that. Nonsense. If only I can kill, I for don't finish these two buncoms. Idiot people like father, like son.
Go chop my hand though. Come, I don't dare you. If it ain't chop, no they do. And then you not hear what? You not hear what? You do that. What?
Okay. We'll be going now.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh, the food. We never chop.
Oh, it's in the flask on the cabinet.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Buy me ice cream. Buy me mango. Buy me sweet. Buy me ice cream. You think my money keep for you? No, you give her money for this.
Carol, it's okay. Don't worry, Jason. I will buy you everything you want, okay? Meanwhile, there's some fruits in the kitchen, okay? You can have some of those before I get back. Is that fine? Hmm? I'll come back with fresh fruits. Come on, let's go. I'll see you later.
Bye. You see this girl and winch. I see the winch where really plan us for this house. You dey mad. Come, shey, that time, what I tell you? What I tell you if you want chop, me no dey do no. I no tell you make you dey chop well. Huh?
They talk. It's the way they talk. They really depend. Clap.
You dey craze. I dey tell you something. You dey hear what? Keep this thing here. That you mango. That you so. Come on, come up for here. I don't tell you if they chop something. They chop something like person will really come back. No, they chop person as person with the outside. What do they do? No, they do like that.
Look, there are many women without a man. Even the Bible says it that a time will come when 10 women will grab one man and say, come and marry me.
That one na for women will be saying them war. Or will be saying they get bad character. Or people will be saying them fine, but they don't know their worth.
So, you're trying to say that I don't know my self-worth, right?
I'm not talking anything, now you talk on yourself. Because any person will know their worth, no go tell me say they get man, marry this kind, or one marry this kind red carpet.
Carol, John is not anyhow. And stop calling him red carpet, will you? Stop this.
Wow. They will clear your eyes. Now when you will stay your white, you go no.
Carol!
I dey call you auntie, I dey call you. Because you don't already deny me since you born me because of man. You deny picking, you're picking because of man. Man will be saying now you they feed, now you they clothe, and now you they give a house. No wahala.
Look, I promise, once he marries me and I get pregnant for him, I will tell him about you, okay? I promise. I will, all right?
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa, you what and don't go pass a gari. Good girl, oh, don't enter, oh, joro love, oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa.
Why would you suffer? And you know this kind of person.
Is there waiting?
Why would you suffer? And you know this kind of
Oh yeah, that one don't do. You don't do. Only us stay here. Now when they come back, you will continue. She say na clear eyes I use the here. You know say that man will be say that man we had a drive for before. That man a very useless person. That man stingy die. Stingy to even drink or buy water for himself. Na problem. To even buy for person wey be say me and I go come out. He go buy water. He no go even say driver you want drink. The only good thing wey that man do for me, na that him motor wey I carry do all this bugara I do. If you say we make then they believe say we'll come back. You understand? That be the only thing. So if you don't want make we go back to poverty, you see as this kind of life they switch you now, abi? You go they do things what I tell you to do. Like this, you see as they chop something, the thing they vex me. I don't tell you say if they chop something, they chop something like person will really come back. No, they chop something like person will come out and they talk to you. What you go? I don't think say person will come back when they chop something. They know they hear them. They know they hear within the chop or to they see within the chop. It be like they craze, abi. It be like I done the mentor. Or you watch me. Because this is why I teach you. I no go teach you again. No. Watch me now.
I think it's rude for your mouth.
You see what happen? Chop that to man say I dey chop am. Now like this. So they chop am. If He had. Every time you chop something like person wey dey inside market, chop and make it made so that anybody will say you come back, he go believe you. And if you chop and go do yeah. Do am, man see. Why they do like who they use sacrifice? They mad. I say yeah.
Yeah.
The year try sha. But make you dey chop am like person wey call. You understand? So that we go fit stay here. Make they no suspect us, comot us from this house. So I don't tell you this thing.
You need to do like that, nah.
You said?
What you do like
I
that?
will use this thing to tell you something. You do like that.
God, how can this be happening here? What do I do? There's nobody to even help me. God, maybe John can come meet us here. God. Why is he not picking up? Excuse me, please. Please, is there any mechanic around here? Oh God, why is he not picking up?
Now your correct carpet, Nico.
Hey, Carol, please stop this, okay? There's a problem here.
There's a problem indeed.
Still not picking. God, what do I do?
Very useless man. Very stupid man. Irresponsible man. See, there's a problem here. There's a situation at hand. You're not picking up. They're calling you. The only thing now to do is to eat and sleep. Foolish.
Carol, listen. I don't have time for this your nonsense today.
I'm not
okay?
talking to you now, mommy. I'm not talking to you. I don't talk on my own now, but still go talk again.
And listen, stop calling me mom so you don't forget it in the house. Did you hear me? Stop calling me that. Come. I have to go look for a mechanic. Stay here. Carol, don't move. Don't go anywhere. Do you hear me?
I don't go fist. Make I enter car. They fit kidnap me.
They will not. Nobody will kidnap you. Stay here. Stay where I left you. Let me go look for a mechanic down the road. Do you hear me? I said don't move an inch. Okay? Don't go anywhere. Oh God, this guy's still not picking up. What could he be doing in the house? Where can I find a mechanic now? This shouldn't be happening. Excuse me, ma. Please, I have a problem. My car broke down. I'm looking for a mechanic. Can I get one around here?
I'm new in this area. I'm new, sorry. I don't really know anywhere in this area. Sorry.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Everything is okay.
What are you doing inside?
Are you looking for a wife?
Why would you ask that? That's not the question I asked.
That's my own question. Like my mother is single and she's at
Oh
like
God.
her heart is pieces.
Okay,
She's
fine.
totally undividable. So she went to look for a mechanic to fix her car because her car is broken up. And and I say as a good parental kid, let me know if I can assist my mother in any way and get
Okay.
a minglership.
Can you calm down? Calm
Fix
down.
both of them together.
Oh, calm down, okay? What's the problem and where is your mother?
Like that, I said it in my explanation that my mother is because her car. This is my mother car.
Okay.
Her car broke down, so she went to find a mechanic that will help her fix stuff.
Okay.
So how far your body now? Like, are you free to mingle?
We'll see about that.
See, do you know that woman that is coming? That's my mother. That fair one. You like her?
Oh,
You like her, Abi? She enter your eyes.
Your mother?
Sharp. Sharp man.
Yeah.
That's my mother. Once she call like this, collect her contact and mingle with her. Okay?
okay.
Now she be my mama.
Is this the car?
Yes.
You like her, Abi? You like her?
I just left
Talk
it open.
nice.
I don't
You like
know.
her?
Carol?
Hi.
Hmm?
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Please, how may I help you?
I was passing by and I saw this child inside the car. It seems she was looking for something. So I asked her and she said, the car broke down and you went to look for a mechanic.
Yes, it's my car. It broke down while we were driving home. I just went to look for a mechanic. I couldn't find one, so he came along to help.
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. So what's the problem?
I don't know. He just stopped driving.
Oh. Okay, let's try something. Turn on the ignition. Let's see. Okay, no problem. I'll leave.
You sure? No, do you don't look like a mechanic though.
Oh,
What do you
yes.
know about cars?
Not much, but then I have knowledge about cars, especially Mercedes-Benz. Let's try.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's try, right?
All right, let's try.
So, back to what you are saying. How you say?
Okay. Try turning it on. Again. Okay, hold on.
Okay. It went up. Should I try again? And any luck? Please be careful because of your shirt, okay?
No,
it's
okay.
white.
It's okay.
Maybe we should. I
Okay,
don't know.
try.
Okay. Oh my God! I can't believe it! It worked! Oh my, how did you do that?
Funny child, yeah?
How did you do it?
Well, like I said, I have little knowledge about cars, especially Mercedes.
Wow, this is great. Such a relief. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm Meg.
Oh, Eric, a pediatrician.
Oh,
I actually went to treat a child this compound. So coming out, I saw the situation.
That's lovely. Pediatrician, you deal with children.
Yes.
That's lovely. This is my daughter, Carol.
Oh, Carol, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You look good.
Oh, thank you.
So you say you treat children?
Yes.
Okay, my mama collect the number now in case if I sick because I feel sick. Like.
No, stop that, Carol.
you're not
God
gonna fall sick.
forbid, you will not fall sick.
No, I'm not saying that I will fall sick. Like in the future time, I might fall sick actually, and you go need person who go treat me. Go come to find person now.
Actually.
Carol,
Actually.
you are not the sickly type. Don't mind her.
No,
she
now
tends to
collect
It's
now
fine, it's fine. I
future.
understand what she's
Okay,
trying to
bring
say.
phone.
She hardly falls sick.
understand?
She's not a sickly type.
Yeah, I'm not a sick
We're not
anytime,
paying for
but I
anybody.
can fall sick anytime.
Anytime.
You
Yeah.
understand?
Yes.
Put the number there.
Just pay her no mind. She tends to talk. She's a chatterbox.
Okay, it's alright. It's alright.
I have a number 080
Okay, 080
643
64
801 22.
012.
Flash and I said I should save it.
Okay.
Pediatrician, Abby. Sorry.
Pediatrician.
Pediatrician.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's actually doctor for kids.
Doctor for kids.
Yes.
I know.
Okay.
The doctor is.
Oh, that's you, right? Okay, I'll save it.
Alright.
Thank you
Save
again
it now so that you
so
don't
much.
forget.
Shh. Let's go.
Only child.
Thank you.
Alright.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
It's fine. Let me
Bye.
It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Carol, go into the car. What's wrong with you?
I want to tell you something. Like, let us discuss because this man now is the perfect man for you. Like, when I saw him, I saw everything. I saw the future. I saw both of you future together, and I saw myself being a Peking, like calling him father.
Carol, take your time, okay? There are some words that should be too heavy for a child your age, for your mouth.
There are some men that should be too low for you. Like you're a big woman, you have money. You don't need to go for classless men, okay? This man is a perfect match. Go for him and everything will be sorted out for your own good, for our family good. You understand?
You know what? I know what is good for you. I just can't wait for school to reopen so I can put you in a good school. Disgracing me up and down with your stupid English.
No,
Paid
Mr. Make you abandon
electrician.
me. Shipping that you abandon me. It not be my fault. This is now. This all be this way you talk with my wahala.
It is pediatrician. Okay? Okay? Not,
Pediatrician.
yes, not paid electrician.
I don't say paid electrician. I say paid electrician. Paid electrician.
It is, you know, just go inside. Let's go
No
home.
be the
Jesus
paid electrician. Be
Christ.
the coco. The coco now who you want marry?
Oh my gosh.
Now paid electrician. Be now red flag. You want marry?
Carol.
Oh, babe. Babe, I'm back. Babe, I called you so many times. You didn't pick up.
It's you call who? Eh? You call who? How many times? See, you see this thing? I don't like him. I don't like him.
No, babe.
You come out since you coming back now? Eh? What is it by time? You come back now. Since morning, you come out because you carry this thing.
See, Oga, no vex me because me I don't already vex. No vex me. You understand? See you other man like you there for how to do nothing. They call you. Since even they talk to person mama, person auntie. If they call me thing, your person get talk. They call me. Why you they involve me now? You they want?
Carol, stop.
No, I don't understand now. I don't like him. If something they bother me, allow me talk. You understand? Person they squat you for. If they squat for person house, get my carry pikin join her. Now the person go outside, then you go also for wetin you go chop. You get how they talk. Something happen for outside, then they call you for you don't pick. You good? So wetin they talk, everything here. You throw away for ground. Say you ask me what I don't talk.
Carol,
Then I
stop
start.
it.
You can't get how they talk anyhow.
Wait.
Don't tell me wait.
You talk to me?
Okay, go and sit down one place. Don't
Carol,
come this
stop
your
it.
aboki. Go and sit down.
You see? I don't blame you. I don't blame you, Shasha. I don't blame you. I blame your auntie. You stand here, you watch this bastard talk to me.
No,
Eh? Now me be bastard. I swear to God, if they born you, will talk am again. If I no use this thing, break your head. No say my name no be.
Carol!
No, not call that thing again, Mama. No, I did not. Someone they vex me. Would be bastard. Wetin be your pikin?
You go break my head.
No, where your pikin mama dey? You kill am. You kill am. Where your pikin mama dey?
Baby.
They say wait.
Baby, she's just a child, okay? Pay her no mind.
Who be child?
Wait,
This grandma.
don't do that, please.
No, Mama. I don't like this thing. I don't like that.
So you know fear? No. Wait. You see this girl?
Carol, go inside.
You see this girl?
Daddy, come on, sit down.
Yeah, I would talk that one. Hey, shut up. You did insult your papa. They insult your papa. You don't talk anything.
Come sit down.
Carol, why do you want to spoil things for me now? Eh?
Me. Spoil things. How I want to spoil things for you. Oh, Mama. I cannot spoil things for you. I do the thing, but this kind of person, if you marry him, now wahala for you. Even single people say they praise the Lord, say you to the better.
Shut up your mouth. Look, Carol, don't annoy me. Do not annoy me, okay? In fact, you are already annoying me, but don't take it further. Otherwise, you're going to force me to take you back to the village. And I will do it. Don't.
You cannot talk. No wahala, I no go talk. If I talk again, I me fire wahala.
Good. Come here. Let's make this dinner fast. You heard him, he's hungry.
Now go peace, I dey come. Now go peace.
Be fast about that and come back here now. Carol, have you put the table mat on the table yet?
Yes.
Water? Everything is there? Good. Listen. You did a terrible thing today. To me, you do not know the gravity of what you have done because you're a kid. What you did is a very big disrespect to me and to my future husband and son. You have almost spoiled things for me. That's if you have not already. I'm just gonna go beg them right now, see if their minds will calm down and maybe they can eat this food. Huh? Now I can't even eat with my husband to be because of you. I'm supposed to be family with him already. I can't eat with them. I'm just praying that after I pray to them, their minds will calm down and they will eat my food again. Carol, take your time. Take your time in this household. You are annoying me. You are disrespecting me. Don't ever in your life in this house try this nonsense you did today again. I have been looking for a man. I finally found one now. You want to chase him away from me. I would rather chase you away. Did you hear me? Do you hear me? You will take this food to the table for them. Alright? I will go inside, change my clothes. I'm going to be very, very fast. I'm not taking my bath though. Before you go and delay with this thing again now, put me into trouble. I will go in now, I will change, and I will come back down. Please be fast about this. I am not taking long. And don't go sit there with them because I know you. We will soon go there now, sit with them and begin to look for trouble again. Don't do that. Let me first go play with them. You sure everything is there like you said? You're sure?
They already set the table before me. Make them easy for me too. Fact. So I carry this thing. Where auntie they always give me anytime when my shit hard. So that I go water my shit well. See? Make I just say this food, say if I chop am, it go still remain for my belly. If you remain for Nabele, make I know what is concern.
She don't dey mad, Abi. She don't dey mad. What I tell you, make you no bring this for make you carry a job. Why they use your hand? You dey craze. She these people wey don't beg us now. If they come out here, they go see say the hand you use chop. So you don't sabi package yourself.
Oh, this thing, chop this food. Me, I go supper, go market, go buy things for food, go cook. You go chop. Like, with your whole heart. If I give you food, you go green collect. Chop am. Sorry, my dear. Come chop, make I see you.
Come on, use fork, chop that thing. I say use fork. I drop her for you. Come on, drop that mump where you don't roll for your hand, dey mad. I carry fork. Carry fork. They tell you something, you do like person with them. No, throw javelin. Javelin, I say carry fork. Where?
Your bonbon go tell you. That's your nyash go tell you. What the person go tell you. Anywhere where I give you something, no collect. If you collect, no say they find wahala for yourself. You collect, no say they find wahala for yourself. You collect, now my heart no good.
My love, I hope you enjoyed the food.
Enjoy what? What's it mean this? What's this? Huh?
What's the problem?
What's the problem is what? You put pepper, you fill the whole Cameroon pepper inside soup?
No.
Now thank you when you talk like this.
Shh! Quiet! Babe, I'm sorry, okay? I'll do better next time.
Who they put Cameroon pepper inside soup? Who do that?
Sorry.
Don't. You see, look. I go talk this once. You see this girl. I don't know where you pack her to bring to this house. But this girl insult me. Me that is old enough to be her elder. What elder sits on the seats? If Pikin climb on top, the Pikin ain't gonna see it. But I have been here and this girl, they insult me and you say nothing.
I'm sorry.
I'm talking you put pepper inside soup. Did I call her to say something? I'm talking to you, she's talking.
She's local.
Oh yeah, damn man, she's local. She insult me. Take this girl back to where you bring her from. I warned you for the last time. This girl insult me and I'm not going to take it. Shit, man.
Baby, calm down. What is it? What's the problem? Babe!
I don't understand though.
Babe! What's wrong? What did they eat? Jeez, what's going on? Babe! Honey? What's going on?
I'm not sure if make I no talk. They ask me question, I beg.
I made the food myself, right? Jesus, another problem.
When this doctor they come?
What's happening? God, another problem. I made this food myself.
When the pediatrician doctor they come now?
Carol! Leave me alone. Look, how many times will I tell you that this man is in a relationship? I'm in a relationship too. Leave me alone. What's your problem? I have a situation here.
You are in a relationship. You call relationship people will come out.
Carol, mind your business. I did not complain to you.
I
I have a situation here.
I know they complain. I talk to myself now.
God, what's happening? What did they eat? Is it the same food I made or something else? Did they eat something else? Ah, babe. Babe, what's the problem? What's going on?
At this point, I think it's like somebody planned me in this house because what a fake.
No.
What a fake.
Babe, I'm surprised. I made the food myself.
You make which food? Food! I'm here complaining there's pepper in the food. Shit, man. Now, after the pepper, me and Ron go toilet every time. Eh? What manner of food is that?
Probably it's the fruits you ate earlier.
Don't tell me that. It's not fruit. Me, is it today I eat fruit? I eat fruit in America.
I'm sorry.
I know. Oh.
What? Babe!
Oh my God.
You never allow the pikin enter. You never allow the pikin enter. You will be saying if you hold the shit. Pikin no fit hold shit. If you take pikin enter toilet, this your man, eh? Then they use him brain too much.
You mean that's your problem right now? Are you seeing what I'm saying? What is happening? What did they eat? God. Babe!
So not be man, so not manners. Manners from above.
What do I do? Hospital, maybe. No, I think I have flagella in this house. Honey?
Like this man don't tie this man for bottle. Flagella no go even work it itself. Medicine no go work and I mean know what thing they do then. I mean know what thing go still work am. No go waste your flagella if you get medicine. Keep am for yourself for future. And when I rest finish, I go sort them out. But for now, me and Nyash, they go shit tire. Like you go shit so your Nyash go begin the hot. Like if the hot, you know, if you sit down. Trust me. I don't play. I don't call you to play. Okay?
What kind of question is that? Huh? Carol, how can I sleep? Were you not there when my supposed husband and son were just going to the toilet one after the other? This one will go, come out. This one will go, come out. Purging. Serious purging. How can I sleep?
Okay, now don't make it about sleep. Okay, the bother your red flag supposed husband then. You know balance. He just stingy even to his son. Because tell me why small picking like that, one go shit. You enter toilet, you drag her overtake her. Take it easy. You won't go feel hold your own, but that small picking no feel hold in shit.
Carol, that's not the issue here right
like
now.
Shit na shit, especially when you water.
I don't understand. You talk too much. That's not the problem now. That's not my problem. I don't even have any medication to give them. The flagella in the house is finished. Tetracycline, there's nothing. I don't know what. Come. Carol, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
And I want the truth.
Wow.
Did you put something in their food?
Ha! Nah, I push that question with that one. Now, why you could ask me that? You don't trust your picking again. Why I go put something for their food? That makes no sense. I cannot put something for their food now. Eh? If I put something for their food, why we know they purge? Why you come the only day they purge?
So why are they the only ones affected?
Another person has to ask now. So me, I'm feeling that maybe it's because they're not used to good food. Do you get?
What are you talking about? People from abroad?
People from abroad. Now
Yes, they have all the good, they have the best food over there. That's not the problem.
People from abroad, now the small picking they get instead for English. You don't hear in pidgin before. The pidgin now phonetic pidgin. You don't hear phonetic pidgin. They want you, they believe. I don't know the kind of hyper where they use wash your brain like then wash am with better iron sponge. Nothing remain. Sorry ma, but you reason now by color. Now by color you believe say they from Obodo Ibo. You wait to your color like this now. As you feel like this, you from Obodo Ibo. So me know they want you like that now. You don't big with person.
Look, Carol, don't talk about my supposed husband like that, okay? That's the man I'm going to marry.
Period.
Don't talk about him like that. And be very careful in this house. Carol, be very careful, oh.
I understand.
Oh my God, that's him again in the toilet. Honey, I'm coming! Oh my God! I'm coming!
So true love is blind. Like, love is really blind. They don't use love circle my mama. She don't get herself again. But now see for this house, if I do it now finish, when I go know my name. That small pikin one they tell me say he come from America. Now that one they blow English. Eh? My own pidgin they sound better than your own too. In they speak, I they come, I they come, I they go, I know they come. My papa, they play.
Baby.
Shit, man.
Baby, what is it?
I'm vexed.
Babe.
That's the way it is for my mind. Like, innermost mind. My mind, the boy.
Babe, calm down.
As it dave me, if it dave you like that, to be honest, if he drink rat poison.
No, God forbid. Babe, what is it?
Because tell me why my consignment got to take time. All the money they tell me to pay, I don't pay her. Now why I do like this, I don't get any shinbai.
It's okay.
You get? I don't get anything. We me as a man we use, as a man you're supposed to see front with money. When you don't get money like this, it be somehow. I don't get money.
It's
It pay
okay,
me.
babe. And everything will be fine. I
As a
mean,
vet.
it will be done soon, right?
No be done soon. Like now, I need at least 200k to take the seafront. You get? But now, I don't even get. I don't. That's not. That's shit.
Baby, you surprise me. How can you be talking to me like this? My money is your money. Okay? Why would you even ask 200k, right? I have your bank details. I will do a transfer to you right now. In fact, I'll make it 500,000.
I was gonna. Ah,
Right?
500,000.
Yeah, because you might need more money, right? Hold on. I'll do it right
Oh.
now.
I asked 200. You give me 500.
Sent.
Hi. Oh.
I love you.
Love you too. Chukuga.
What? What did you say?
Say God bless you.
Amen. He has already blessed me with you. I
Hi.
love you. Babe, look, I mean, why would you be crying about money when your baby is rich? I am successful. I am rich, babe. Whatever you want. Look, all this will be over soon. All of these worries, okay? And we will go ahead and plan our wedding. You know what?
Yeah.
We don't even have to wait. Yeah, I have money. I can pay for everything. Let's start planning.
Make a plan.
Right?
Make a call canopy people.
Oh, yes. Yes, call them. Let's know how much.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love oh, don't go jamwa yo what and don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love oh, don't go jamwa yo water don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love oh. Like the way they waka eyes where they
Omo, me, I gotta do something, oh. I gotta do something so fast because this doctor electrician. Wait, hold on, first of all. I'm asking getting number. Oh. Okay, the thing is say I go faint. Eh? No. If I faint now they'll carry me go where I don't know. Okay, make us say I dey get headache. No. If I talk that one, my mama go come check my body, and if you know hot like this, because my body no dey too hot. If you know hot, she go know start the lie. It's not which sickness I go call like this now. I make her say, good. I go see my belly they pay me. At least that one, they no go fit check whether belly hot. Make her talk say belly they pay me. And they come. At least if I do that one, she will call doctor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Actress, activate.
Where they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na 40 now. Love them down while you water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for Joro head.
You're stupid. It's not myself for American. I'm coming back. What did they talk? And they send you message, they talk. Who they stupid, they mad? Make a stand up for you, go knock your head. I'm for American, I'm be coming back. You can't be sending messages. Uncle, go come and tell her say my belly they pay me a beg. I don't want me to argue. I'm go tell her, go call her my beg. Before you're laughing us. Now your belly is spinning you. Why they laugh? Why they laugh? They mad. Shimo you. Shimo. Shimo. The day is a shame they catch shameless. Shimo. That belly is spinning you. Will kill you. Nonsense. If God no punish this, don't make her know what it costs. I swear to God. See, I know why I keep you quiet because on a normal man, only me and you there. And for those stand up here, give you knock for head. I just they keep you quiet. If you decide they protest my belly, they pay, I go knock your head. We go fight here. I thought I want fire you like this. You get locked in a condition to just make person they keep some kind of quiet. My belly, oh. Oh, my belly, oh.
When did this stomach ache start?
And the food poison, Mommy,
Okay, I have flagyl, okay? I'll give you flagyl. Let me go. No, I will give you flagyl, okay? Okay. Jesus Christ. I'll call him. God. Hello, Dr. Eric. Hi.
Hi, Meg.
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Please, my daughter, Carol, she has stomach ache. I don't know what's happening. Can you please send me your address for your hospital so I can bring her in for treatment?
I'm sorry I'm not in the hospital at the moment. I'm heading home. But I have other doctors that work for me.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can you just send me the address? It's fine, okay? And maybe direction.
Alright, where are you coming from?
Magodo Estate.
Oh, you live in Magodo too? Send me your address. I'll drop by.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, I'll be waiting for you. Thank you. Calm down. It's okay. You'll be here soon. Oh, Dr. Eric.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. Where is she?
She's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Quick one, please. Doctor, this is my fiancé, John. John, this is Dr. Eric. Carol has a situation. Her stomach is running, so he's here to treat her.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, sir.
If I nod you, you go know yourself. You and who is doing nice to meet you? But nice to meet who? Huh? Wait. So this is it, eh? Me and my son will fall sick for a year. You know, call doctor, you know, call nobody. Even Bebeliche, you know, give us. Now, ordinary stomach. You call doctor, you wear glass, come here. Me. Eh? So leave me your future husband. This is bad though.
Lee, your future son. This is bad.
Yes, better than the baddest.
Babe, please, it's not what you think, okay? I told you, I owe her mom. Please, let's not talk about this here. Doctor, please, let's go. I'm coming.
If I nudge you, if I nudge you without a gorimapa, you back. If I nudge you,
Come and sit down.
it's fine. That's one of those things. That's one of those things. Me and you. Man, you see this woman will do one thing again. Just because of ordinary running stomach. Is it?
She needed to be Catholic.
I did tell you now. See, you know say when we know where she don't call anybody.
Ah!
Sorry. Excuse me. I don't know. How exactly are you feeling aside from the pain?
Just the pain.
The pain?
Yes.
What did she eat?
I beg you, go. I think you should just give me like that vitamin C where they sweet first. Make I know whether I go cool am because
I don't think your stomach is still aching. Hmm? No, it's not.
it's aching now.
Okay, it's fine. I don't actually have the vitamin C, but I have something I will give to you that will subside the pain. Okay? Yes.
And doctor, no, since I link on her up, I never hear any what's up. You know they call my mind, you know they text, you know they have you know like
You know what? I don't think this stomach aches right now anymore. No, it doesn't.
Don't be my
You
mouth
better
they ache, Nana.
Concentrate on your stomach. It's not affecting your mouth yet, so no, there's no ache.
Okay, it's fine. Like I said, I'll give you something to subside it, okay? Miss Meg, can you please excuse us for a moment?
Are you sure?
You don't start.
Sorry. Sorry, let me give you something. Sorry.
Talk now. I don't like this thing where you did tonight. Me and you know what's up. See, I did try to link you up. My mama a better person. She get this out so.
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Look, it's Carol. She was the one who insisted that she's going to see the doctor. He's very friendly with her. That's why. I'm sorry.
Oh, please, I don't care. The only Carol I know is Carol White. I don't know any Carol. Me and my son will fall sick. You did not care for us. You did not call nobody.
I'm sorry.
Please, enough of it. Go and get us fruits. We want to chop fruits.
Okay, no problem. I'll be back with it.
No good now. Okay, when you dey come, you see one yellow man wey dey for this house. You see any yellow man around this house?
Yeah, I saw a fair man downstairs with a child.
That man, I know that man. He dey climb and up like every day. He be like flying. Everywhere my mama go, he dey like follow. I don't want make two of them have anything. Like I don't want make my mama marry him. That man make you go rest. I like you make you and my mama dey together. Not be that one. That one no dey get himself. I beg now. Make I need that beg you.
See, you talk these things like it's easy. I'm in a relationship.
See, thank God you say in relationship, no be married. You never enter marriage. Before you go enter marriage, you and mama don already build up. Okay. No, just rush am. Start friendship with my mama, just normal friendship. So that by the time with that man, the yellow man go see two of una. He go to say two of una have something, he will just come out with jealousy. I know that man not be good man. I know wetin I dey talk. That man not be good man.
No, it's not going to be easy, but if I do that, you'll be fine.
Yes.
Okay. I will be friends with your mother.
Good. Just that.
And I don't know. I'll just try. When I go downstairs, I will talk to her and possibly I'll advise her.
No problem. But I beg no tell her say nothing dey do me. I beg.
Yes.
She dey vex for me. Tell her say you don already treat me. Say you don reduce small.
Okay.
I beg. My G.
Talking of that, hold on. Why did you have to lie to your mother that you were sick?
I know they see any sense. Since I link to una up. Una no dey show una sef face. So I just dey make I find way bring you to the house so that we go talk. Cause I never get phone call you for phone.
But you know that's bad, right?
You know bad because na plan I dey something I dey plan for you. You understand? That man no be better person.
So you're actually fine.
I'm actually fine.
Okay, so I'll be on my way, okay?
I beg no tell my mama now.
Okay.
No wahala.
I'll try.
My G. Chop. Thank you.
Here, babe. Would you need something else? Maybe blended fruits, something? Oh, Dr. Eric, you're done.
Yes, I'm done.
How is she feeling?
She's stable now.
Thank you.
Please, can I see you outside for a minute?
You want to talk to me, right?
Yes, very important.
That's fine. Let's go closer to where she is, just in case there's a new development, okay?
Okay.
Is that fine?
Hey, come. You did mad.
Miss Meg, I know this is none of my business, but can I ask you some personal questions?
Okay.
Why did you deny your daughter before him?
Well, most guys will not date a single mother.
If a guy truly loves you, he wouldn't mind.
Really? So, if you love a lady, you wouldn't mind if she has a child?
Of course. I mean, I have seen guys that got married to ladies with 5 kids, let alone 1.
Wow. Okay.
Look, I think it's high time you told him she's a daughter. If he leaves that means he never truly loved you, a better person will come.
Don't know about that all. But I hear you. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
I'll try to do that.
So will you give me feedback on that?
Okay. Yeah, I will.
Can we be friends?
I don't double date.
Come on. You don't have to worry. Just casual friends. I'm into a relationship myself.
Oh. Okay then.
Friends where?
Friends.
Father God, my father. You see this Uncle Red Flag? I beg. Come out, I want her. I don't want her. carry and go one side. But you see this Uncle Green flag, that doctor paid the electrician, carry and come forward, I beg. Now that one I want for this family, now that one I want for this house. And they don't use fake love, blind my mama face, my eyes like this now. Now only you go feel save her more. Like this way, then now only you go feel save her. As that electrician they say in their relationship, I beg, go scatter that relationship, make it no enter marriage. Because if you live there like this, and if you enter marriage, I don't go feed you anything again. I want make it go na when they see they build the relationship, go scatter. Go make the girl Coco find another man go my because if he see another man they I am. Now go carry and go give the man where they I am. Make you carry this one where would they I give us. I beg. It's like say I'm not too serious. I'm not too serious. I'm not serious. Father Lord, I want you to help us. Scatter that relationship. Carry that man come our family. Carry this Uncle Red flag. Go give that woman. Because two of them deserve themselves. Me, my mama and that Uncle Green flag, they deserve themselves. Do this thing for me and I'll be happy forever in the mighty name of Jesus. I trust you, Lord, and I know that you will do it for me. I trust you, and I know that you always got my back. I trust you, I know that you will not allow my back to touch the ground. Because not only you DK now. Thank you, Abba Father. Thank you for you have done it for me once again. I thank you and I appreciate you, my G. Thank you. God bless you. Love you, God. Good night. This guy play. It's just a good year. Because they say so far you said good, so good prayer.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love oh, don't go jamwa yo what and don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh.
247 something did this boy mouth. Every time he go they enjoy my mama. When we be the real picky, you know they enjoy half of what they enjoy. But because say my mama need man. Okay, we shall see.
Carol, we're going out.
I'm going out to this red carpet.
Don't say that about me.
J-boy, come here. Come here. You know, hear your papa voice?
Afa!
What's good?
I die. Your baby is playing.
Beer? Yeah, the beards. So me, we are popping. We're popping out. We go come back before you know. Pop, would they come out? Will they come out?
Yes. My daddy buy me ice cream.
Shawarma.
Shawarma.
This boy and shawarma every time. I saw they tell me shawarma.
He loves that a lot.
Yeah, he loves shawarma.
That's good.
Even the for states, every time morning he tell me buy shawarma. Me, I tell him shawarma will grow in your belly.
It will not. We will buy you plenty shawarma, okay?
Why you they even come out to this red carpet? I know they're comfortable. Like this is not making sense.
Hey, Carol, I've told you, do not ever talk about my husband to be like that. Don't call him that name. What's red carpet?
No qualms. You know, red carpets, not good thing. People walk red carpets. They are important star. So red carpets.
You know that red carpet I'm talking about though? The one I'm talking about now, like red flag. You know they get yourself.
You know why I keep quiet? Be say him, my son, they mates. So I look at them. I say, why not? It's small children. So I this one it will not vex me. Okay?
Yes.
You're not vex me at all.
Yes.
It's fine. I'll see you guys later, okay?
Yes. Look at the show you're getting.
Oh.
We're born in Washington, D.C. You forgot? So let's go.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. So
Bye-bye.
be a good boy. Okay. Go watch your film.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa, yo water don't go pass the gari. Good girl don't enter ojoro love, oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa, yo water don't go pass the gari. Good girl don't enter ojoro love, oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow one. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't down while you water don't go pass the gari. Yawa go gas for ojoro head oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow.
Don't talk. You're shy. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Yes. So I like that. Stand up. We go clean my room. They go my room. What is this? What is what? What is this? What? I'm watching TV. Okay, you're watching TV. I want you to go clean my room. What? They go. Why shouting on me? That means you're what? Okay, go and clean my room. Stop shouting on me. Make a no fling your neck come up for your head like that. This is beating me. They go my room. Don't cut my head back. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. Give me that. If you enter your mouth, you enter your mouth. That is beating me. I'm going to sit and enjoy it. You go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Daddy, where are you? I'm suffering. You can use vex like this. Now slap this boy with you. Because now I don't dey target and since. Today we be saying only me and you dey this. I make I no use vex now wound you. Who be your papa self? No, excuse me. Who be your papa self? Papa will not get house na papa. Eh? Papa when they squat for woman house, that one na papa. I dey ask you. No, you want make I remind you who you be now. Make I slap you for that place. Make I help him again. Cause what's not good to you? I will tell my dad to flog your bum bum. Okay, you go tell your dad to flog my bum bum. Make I shock you. Okay? Keep that in now, listen to me. Make I shock you. Come put your hand for this place because I mean I go flog your bum bum. I go flog your nyash. If you look your nyash again, you don't go recognize that. Come put your hand for you. Fast. Shook your bum on this side. Make I flog your bum bum. Turn now. I say put this your hand here. Make I flog your bum bum. If you turn your hand again, I go slap your face. Turn. I go flog your nyash. I know say I go flog your bum bum. Turn now. I know it's easy. Turn. Let me flog you. Take it easy. Turn your nyash now. Not be one I don't flog now. Turn now. Turn now. Make I flog something. It's like I dey play with you for years. Come on, this now. Come on, that now. Where you go? I want to shop popcorn. And your popcorn. You go slap you and your popcorn. You go. Come on, guys, stand there, son. I play with you. Stand at this. Attention. I never say start. At this. Attention. Now. You dey dance. If I say dance, you dance. Yeah, dance. No, change channel. Again, I will slap you. That will not be what I'm saying you. Change channel. Make me laugh. I said make me laugh. Change channel. Comedy channel. Change another channel. Comedy channel. I'm tired. You have tired. Yes, I'm tired. It is doing me. Eh? Let me make you wake up from the door they speak this. You have tired. It is doing you. You don't know. Where is they go? Eh? Where is it? Give me. If your daddy come back, hold on. If your daddy come back, you tell him I send you a message. I swear to God, who creates me and you? Who give you beauty? Give me beauty. I go enjoy you. I will tell my daddy to flog you. Go tell daddy to flog me. No, come on, kneel down. No matter. What did I tell you, Nana? What did I tell you? Make you not tell your father. What did you talk? What did I tell you, Nana? Kneel down. 1, 2, 3. Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1. Close your eyes. 1.
Where till you put from out? Remove, we go choke you. What's going on? You put plenty in the mouth. Come out first. Put the one you can chop now. So what's happened?
She tell me to dance. She tell me to mop the floor. I don't tell you anything. Mop this. I don't do anything now. Oga, she been at me bath you. I bath you finish. Where you find clothes? Where you socks? Where your cap? Why you call the lie against me? They give you popcorn, self. They pass out for your mouth. They make it chop well. You tell me say I should sweep this, mop this up. I don't tell you make you mop the house.
This boy, this is my son. He can't lie. You can't lie.
Hey! Don't!
No, be don't. This guy, you try me. You Chris? You Chris?
Look, don't
You beat
ever,
her.
don't ever raise your hand on my child again.
You say what?
Yes, you heard me, okay? You heard me right. She is my child. Look, I am...
Wait first. It's like you want to play prank on me?
There is no prank playing here. Okay, John? Like I said, she's my child. I am tired of lying, pretending and denying my own child because I just want to please you. I can't do it anymore, okay? She is my child and don't you ever raise a finger at her again.
Wait. She is your child? But no resemblance. I can't see any resemblance anywhere. And I don't resemble her. Are you sure? Are you playing? Sure, your child?
Look, she's my child. Okay? Listen. I was desperate, okay? I just wanted you to like me. That's why I lied that she's my friend's child. But she is my child, okay? Carol is my child. And If you do not like me for who I am, there is no problem. I am fine. You have been enjoying your own child while making me pretend to not have a child. I am done with all the lies. You don't want to like me anymore, that's fine.
No, it's fine. Because she is your child. And you lied to me. I've asked every day about her. You lied to me.
Well, now you know.
Now I know. Now I know. It's not betrayal bigger than this. You just betrayed me. You betrayed. Make we go. Make we go. Yes.
Child, you shock me. You shock me. Now you do this to me.
Back to being single.
Back to being single. You know better say you dey single than to dey follow all this red flag up and down. Now you try you. At least you don't tell them say, na my child, na my pikin, make they respect, make they draw line for whether they do something. You don't understand. See, as you dey like this now, you dey single, you go make people see man wey go come rush you. As you dey by your side like this now, you no go make people come in, good men out there, you no go come see because if they block your glory. But as you don't come out like this, good fresh men go come and see you. What waiting now?
Maybe I should.
No, now. You know, see, I think they love himself. He dey put himself first. As if they love him pikin, now make you say, oh, before this man will come like me, now him pikin I will start to love first. If I dey love him pikin, he will come accept me. You now, if you can't say, oh, make you dey love me like this, any man wey wan love you now, the man go first of all say, oh, I this man to love him pikin like this. If I want catch him, I go first from him pikin, make I start from him pikin the love am. Now so. Put yourself first. You don't already dey please people up and down. Please yourself. Come. You don't try.
Wait. You know that. Maybe I should.
You know well. Come follow me. No, just face. You try. And I have this so. Some people say, so woman say, if they don't say that their money, everything, they will be in charge of everything. They will control everybody. But you go to still respect man when you dey feed. Man when they squat for your ears. No, you don't try. You don't overtry. Chop, make you get yourself. Chop. Papa, what's happen? You be won't slap the girl and mama hold your hand. Papa, if you slap her now.
You know say now you cause this thing, Abi. You know say now you cause this thing. You know say you know the year word. I go tell you something finish. You go from this ear enter, from the other ear come out. I do bad say I born you. Eh? I do bad say I born you. I go tell you something you no go dey do am. Every time you no go dey on your own, mind your business. You see you don't see what you cause now, Abi.
Mommy, I need to like all this thing. That's the way we for commode. That's the way we come out good here. We for
From more and from my come. Be like say now you be the weapon fashion against me, Abi. Abi? If you talk again, if I nod you like this now for that flower pot where they outside you go see yourself, they mad. I be your mate.
Calm down now. Your blood to the hot. Calm down.
Alright, where else sleep? I may go beg them. They talk to person way mental. Go beg. If you know what, if not cry, make you cry. You. If not to lie down, double and make you do it. Make sure say they forgive us. Because we don't get anywhere where they go.
Who beg them? They go agree on they no go agree.
Now when they no agree, you go really know what I go do you. Shall they tell you they fit say no the year word. Make we go beg them, make they no agree. If you know what thing good for you, if you know how you won't do them, one like that. Come on, shut up, make a talk. I they talk. They mad. Go lie down, cry.
I will not want her.
Talk them again.
I will not let her.
Go, please, close your mouth. Come on, go down, make we go they beg them. Like, cry, do anything we make they forget. We don't get anywhere where they go.
Stop
if they
talking to like her.
Let me use my hand cause this problem. Let me use my hand cause
Stand up.
They go.
Sweetheart, I am so sorry, okay? I'm sorry for all the times I had to deny you.
I'm sorry.
Don't do. No say I know the vex for you. If I dey vex for you normally, I no go dey tell you. I mean they hold you that place now. I like what you do. If I dey vex for you, I no go dey help you. You try, you do well. Person who I go dey vex for na person wey use man swear for you.
Hey,
I swear. Hey,
stop that. Nobody used man to swear for me,
but
okay?
I true na well every that time if I dey talk, it go be like say they put inside bottle. They use love blind. Like it was tedious.
Come here. Nobody used man to swear for me, okay? Have you forgiven me?
Yes, na.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh.
See, chop popcorn. Chop. I carry
I'm
am
just
come.
tired. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hmm?
You're welcome.
No
No,
worries.
that small boy I put am for.
Are you serious? Sure. Don't put for him again. See, from now, whatever I have, food, everything, eat as you like. I will take care of you.
Thank you. Mama.
Are they hungry? We they hungry. No food in the kitchen.
If you don't mind, I'm trying to spend time with my daughter, okay? If you are hungry, go to the kitchen, dish your food yourself, okay? You are no stranger here. Please.
What's up? We are hungry.
Yeah.
See, for this life, person where you dey fear to lose, now they fear to lose the pass.
Yes.
Like, because you have everything. You have everything they need.
You know, I thought you would be gone by now, Seth.
No.
Still here.
Person where they squat for your house. Now you get the money. Now you dey squat am. Now you dey feed that they buy a shoe. You see that big shoe, you go buy it for me. Now when you don't start to love me, you go buy it for me.
No problem, my darling. I even thought you would be gone by now. Still here.
Go by now. Make you miss all these things. Where you want to
You know what? I don't even care anymore. I don't, whether
don't
he stays
need
or
to.
not. You know, a friend once told me that if a man cannot accept me and love me for who I am, he doesn't truly love me.
Yes, nah, they don't need to tell you. You don't start seeing the papa in Peking. If you start now to the papa me, you go no now. Don't worry. You do okay now, okay? Don't worry.
All things have passed away,
Pass for
my
me.
darling. But you see this your mouth. You see this your mouth. You know you can talk, but I love you like that.
Thank you.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa yo water don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love, oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa yo water don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love, oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't down while you water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for Ojoro head oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na.
Omo, as things they go like this, wahala dey o. This woman not even say make it drop, even if that one seed of watermelon.
Dama, wicked do. Dama, wicked, we no.
I tell you because
You plan where you go.
go wait. You talk with you. If you know what you talk, me talk. Am. They tell you say as it be like this now, I dey sense say wahala don dey. Because if na before, this woman one, you go drop shower shop, You go drop watermelon, you go drop banana, you go drop
Shawarma.
shawarma, shop, no be shawarma. Me, I don't dey fear
It
like
not be
this.
shawarma, it's shapawa.
Let you dey talk. Shut up, I dey talk wetin dey bother me. Talk and I don't dey fear like this. So my mind dey tell me say this woman fit pursue us comot for, and if you pursue us comot from here, let me say wahala don wear pants o. Because she don dey change.
She don't dey change. I seen that watermelon where she dey drop every day. Na you dey own the shop and pass.
Let you dey talk. You say that me and you dey drink bobo together.
Yes, I drank bobo yesterday.
Shut up. You talk another thing, you talk another thing. No worry, they go cook food.
Go shop.
They go cook food.
Go shop. They go cook the food. They go put mashed tomatoes. So if I see the tomatoes, I take and shop. I pack the tomatoes.
I don't even know as me and your mama carry do this thing. I still dey think I reach today. But no wahala, you don't come, you say you don't come. They tell you say they go cook. You do someone they talk, you know they hear am abi. That's the way they carry na food, they go cook, we go chop. Now what I dey try tell you? You talk another thing. Eh?
Von bitter.
Von bitter, na be that.
Yes.
No be von bitter.
And one little milk.
Nah, where they pass
They
you
go
know
put the von bitter. Put the little milk.
I beg,
Put am-
I beg. Leave me. Maybe only your hunger dey catch. I don't get time for that.
You go check this thing where you tell you say you get money. Shishi, you know get like shishi, no dey in pocket.
I'll check that. I'll check it. I really will check it out. He's just starting to annoy me so much. I don't even care anymore. I'm loving myself now and I've seen now that I deserve better. I really deserve better. Even if there is no one available for me, I deserve better.
Somebody's available. That Uncle Penestran, he dey available. Una go just link up. That one no be my hard thing.
Carol, I don't know about that, okay? I just know that I deserve better. Oh,
I say me, I still know all those kind of things because I they like make friends with mature people, auntie them, and they like make friends with small children. That make me I know all these kind of things.
so that's what you were doing in the village?
That's now. If my auntie come out, I will go meet my friends. So we go auntie thing. All of us, they teach me big things, not be small children things.
And what about your mates?
Those of the childish, I know they learn anything from them. Now only play they can't and learn. Now too much play, no money talking, no business, no understand. So that's it. Last one. I go like me will pray, me will thank God for something because they easy.
Pray?
Yes.
Okay. Let me it's myself. I'll be back.
I dey wait. Thank God because days. In hand work on the show. I pray I no go waste.
This woman, they mean no. Ah, no, no, no. I gotta do something, no. I gotta do something. Now to fast forward this wedding, no. I need to secure this woman ASAP. I need to do something.
I want eat too. My belly dey pain me. I want eat too. My belly dey pain me. My belly dey pain me. I don't go take out this one. My belly dey pain me.
Come here, go drink garri.
I don't drink garri. I don't drink garri. Last week now they drink garri. You know who cook better thing for us sef? What's in there? Me, I don't like all this thing.
Can't drink garri for here. You talk another thing. Mago thief.
Me, I don't like all this thing. No, not gonna help me. Not gonna help me. See what my father do. No good at all. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for taking this useless red carpet man, red flag out of my mother's life, and bringing our precious penetrant doctor to be with my mother. Thank you, Abba Father, in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Amen. Got that thing again, penetrant.
Carol is pediatrician.
Pediatrician. Okay. Because remember I was a nutrition. Pediatrician. Okay. So you can enjoy yourself while I go do my things. Okay? Need to go and answer the call of nation.
Okay, darling. How did I even give birth to this girl?
Imitation say if you no look well, you go think say now original.
You see, for this life, I don't waka go everywhere. Nobody with my heart beats like you. All I want in this life is for me and you to marry. Please, marry me.
Yes! Yes, I will marry you. Oh my God!
Why you collect this iron from him? The ring na man.
Thank you.
Na man ring, you no get design.
What's...
Come, thank you. Of course I will marry you.
This man is too local. See, other men they use one leg, he use two leg knee. He give you man ring, you collect. You think they do this one? You calm down now. Calm down.
I love you.
Slap you, I know they talk with you. What else they talk? No, they I don't want you before. This man is too local, like too local. People they use two one leg, they need that. Look at you. She think they talk finish. Look at finish. I mean, this man is too. This my mama Awa. Fear. I dey think say we don't do deliverance for this woman. This one na propose. I don't condemn ring and I propose. That one I propose. Shame no dey catch this woman. Like small shame no dey catch this woman. Oversized ring will be like man ring. Oh.
So maybe by next month, we'll begin to buy things where we need. Small, go the pick. Okay? Because before you know, wedding don't reach. You get so we need to start now because time no day, you know?
Well, honey,
Hmm?
that's too quick now.
Quick. Which quick? But you like everything quick, quick. You like quick, quick. Huh? Well, the thing be say time now, no they wait for time wait for nobody.
I will be flower boy. You will be
We'll try and start getting the things.
Okay. Hmm? The cake, canopy,
Yes.
wedding gown,
Yes.
everything. Because it is time. There is time, but time no day. Time
Honey,
no
this is
day.
your funny way of speaking broken English, even with your American accent. Time no day. Okay, I hear you.
I I need you to be sure about who you want to get married to. You know, marriage is a long time issue.
Yeah.
Okay, so I need you to dig in about the failed consignment. Send me the details. I'll do the findings myself.
Okay, I'll do that.
Look, I don't want you to rush this. I just don't trust him.
Thank you so much, Eric. Thank you for being a good friend to me. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So I'll
I'm sorry. Finally, you decided to call me today. I've heard you.
Are you okay?
My girlfriend, she called me to tell me about the new rules guiding our communications. This has never happened before.
Hmm. Well, I guess you should just talk it over with her. She might have a genuine reason, you know? Take it easy, okay? Thank you. I'll
All
see
right.
you soon.
All
Take
right.
care.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original. Oh. Love will don't go don't go pass the guy.
When I dey look you like this, things really come my mind. Things come my mind because I did very lucky. Time no day. Make we begin to plan the wedding. Because time no dey wait for nobody.
Oh, that's sweet. Wow. You really want to marry me in a hurry like that? Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. Okay, that's how you know when a man is really serious about a woman, right? He has to be in a hurry, in a rush to get what he wants, right? That's sweet, honey. Okay, that's true. Time waits for nobody. So yeah, I'm ready too. Meanwhile, I found someone to help clear your goods. Yes, so all I need now is the details for your consignment. Yeah, so I can send them to him.
I thought you the
Yes, your
consignment.
consignment. Yeah. Yeah, babe, you've been trying to clear your goods, right?
Yes.
You know your baby has contacts. I have contacts and I can use my connections to do stuff for you. Okay? So I found this very, very good agent through a friend. He is the best. He's been asking me for the details for your consignment. So just give them to me so I can send them to him.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
be quick about it. Babe, you know we need to be sure that this thing can sustain us when we get married. Okay, let's quickly clear the goods.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
right? Oh, that's him calling. Excuse me. Let me find out why he's calling. Yeah, hello? What? A chauffeur? How? No. I don't understand. I mean, the day I met him, he was looking so good, driving a big, nice car. And the day I asked him to visit me, he came in yet another exotic car, driven by him. I don't get it.
Look, all those cars are not his. From my findings, John Okoye is a driver that was sacked after you met him. Apparently, your friendship with him became stronger after he was sacked. Hold on. More details about him are in this file. I'm sorry.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jamwa yo what and don't go pass a gari. Good girl don't enter ojoro love, oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't jam why yo water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for ojoro head oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't jam why yo water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for ojoro head oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't jam why yo water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for ojoro head oh.
My baby.
This is for you. This is for you. John Okoye. I am done with you. Okay? You and your son. I need you to leave my house now.
What's happened?
Listen. I am tired of this. Tired of your fake accent. Fake everything you. I need. Leave my house. Go in there. Pack your shit. And leave my house. And take this stupid ring. Your fake iron condemned ring like my daughter called it. Pack your shit. Leave my house now.
What's up, huh?
Be like person make you vex.
What's up?
Talk to me.
You think I'm joking?
What's up, big no face?
If I make you vex when I know vex, I beg. Why now?
You don't want to leave, right? Hold on for me. You don't want to leave.
Anything it be, we go settle on. We go settle.
Hello, DPO. Yes, good afternoon.
Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow am. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't jam why yo water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for Ojoro head. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow every day now 41 day now.
Mama, you're not saying anything. Talk now. I want to know you talk. Mama,
My darling, I'm fine. Okay? I am fine. Trust me. You know, truth is, I don't even care. I don't care anymore, really. If I don't find another man, I'm good. Okay, yeah, I'll just focus on loving me, loving you, and being a good mother to you. Okay? A
see,
really good mom.
this God who they serve, a better God. Like, what God cannot do does not exist. The Lord that answered by fire, oh, He will be my God. The Lord that answered by fire. This God, I know there is a joke. You see, I mean, they pray, they kabash, they do everything possible. May God use in power, scatter all the juju. Let that man use tie you down. Because I'm not saying I box for you. For inside box, they lock you. Now, you see, who don't go?
Carol, nobody tied me. Okay? But it's fine. And you know that you really have to change this your way of talking, your village lifestyle. Because you are now a bushy kid. Okay?
No, I'm not a bushy girl.
And when you call me, don't say mommy or mama. It's mom.
Mom, now short call or short name for mommy. That is mom.
No. You are now an Ajebo kid. Okay? Your mom is rich. So you will behave like one.
I beg, look at it myself, but I don't go want fake my life because of.
And don't call me mama. I'm not old.
Hey, na mama go call you now.
Don't.
Mama no be old, na mommy. Mama.
You're just a silly girl.
Welcome home. Welcome to our border. Over na board.
Thank you.
See, you can have a seat.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is your mom around?
Yes, look at that. Sit down first, sit down.
Okay.
See our talugo.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Please sit.
Thank you very much.
So what should I bring for you, gentlemen?
Water is fine.
What? Just water?
Yes, just water.
What is bigger? You're looking down on my mother. Billionaire. He's a billionaire. Come here, come get you soon.
You already know her.
Yes. I'm so sorry that I've not been able to visit for weeks now.
Oh, it's okay. I understand.
You look good. Gorgeous as always.
Stop.
So, how have you been?
Oh, babe. God, I beg. Oh. God, I beg. You see what will happen there? I beg. Make this thing work. Make it work. I beg. I think God will beg you. I beg. I beg.
She's been cheating all this while. I was a fool. A fool.
No, you're not a fool. Okay? The joke's on her. She was dishonest with you. You're the honest one. Shame on her.
The Lord answered by fire. He will be my God. The Lord answered by fire. He will be my God. The Lord answered by fire. He will be my God. The Lord answered by fire. My girl.
Carol,
Take
you
your
look
water.
so excited. What's
So,
happening?
you don't understand. It's joy from above.
Sorry, help me.
I go help you now. You don't know. You don't know. I go help you.
Okay, it's fine. Go up to your room, okay?
Oh,
Eric
wow.
and I are discussing.
No problem. Well done, sir.
Such an exciting child.
She talks a lot. She knows too much for her age, but I love her like that. She's my baby.
Ducky. My ducky. Papa, I say make I come thank you. God bless you. You do well. Like God go bless you abundantly.
Why are you thanking me?
Because you decided to come our house, come stay with us. It's not easy. From morning till this night, just to make you come out, you leave your house, your precious house, come our house. You know they easy. So I say, as my mama tell me say you don't they go, you want go. I say make I use Connie come out, come thank you because you know they easy. Thank you so much, yeah.
Alright,
God
you did
bless you
well.
for us.
Thank you.
Make I join the group. My mama will catch me. See we get any Connie message. I know you could be. You go sit to yet my G.
Take care.
Hi. Thank you so much for coming to visit. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for the hospitality.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Alright, I'll be on my way.
Oh, great. Let me see you off.
Alright, fine.
So you're going to work tomorrow?
Hi. Carol is changing off in her room.
Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing her home.
You're welcome. How do you feel now?
Better.
So you have to go through this every month? So sorry. It's not easy to be a woman. Women should be adored, you know. Have you had anything to eat?
No, I haven't. I couldn't make anything.
All right. Say no more. Time to show off my culinary skills. What do you have in the kitchen?
No, you don't have.
What do you have in the kitchen?
I think I have some noodles and eggs.
Okay. Noodles and eggs it is. Let me garnish one or two for you. Okay? I'll be right back.
Come, make you now see the do the water. You want finish am? Now the only one wey we get be this so. You like just a waste time for there. I don't even know the kind of life will be this. Eh?
Thank God say we wrong. I don't tell you say that man wicked. Say where we go come dey stay safe. Work where we go do, money don't come. So what you go come use feed? Me hungry, they catch me, my belly, they bite me, if na credit. Mo go
Come on for my what's it be that one? How can they catch you? Make I do it.
You think I only wonder water where would they drink,
You even
sir?
see water drink, you know, thank God. Not be me and you go work. As you work finish, waiting come out. Not be come today, come tomorrow, the type
Who
person.
that guy stingy, though?
Me, I
Where we
don't
go
dey
come
I
see
don't
money
you
for
say?
myself now?
No worry, now you I go use do the
Yeah, go
money.
take
Cause me, I
money.
don't try.
Go take money for that man.
Now you now I go use do the money. Cause I cannot be waiting they do for me now when me and you dey here. They do nothing for me. I just the
That one they give person credit.
shut up I dey think you don't do. I beg. You don't do now.
So now which life go come dey live? That one wey get money.
You know the year say you don't do, Abi? You know the year say you don't do. Not be your mate they go pickpocket and bring for their papa. You know what say as today and I go find person you go
Yeah,
pickpocket.
make I go pick the money for you.
I go now, go pick that man pocket. That man with the water. Pick money come.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jam while you what and don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love, oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jam while you water don't go pass a gari. Good girl oh, don't enter oh joro love, oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow one. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't jam while you water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for Ojoro head oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow.
You see, I dey thank God say two of una finally come together. And me, I dey happy say I follow for wetin put two of una together. I follow. So now that one, you go give me my accolade for that one. Number one. Then me, you know say everything they give me mind. Say you get that time where you come and tell my mama say your girlfriend, that be your wife to be, they cheat on you. And that one make me come increase my energy because from day one where that my mama be friend till now when two of them don already dey like the level don increase. That thing wey happen come make me I increase my power say this thing go must work because that woman wey been dey your life now been our wetin dey call am obstacle as you come comot like this now. I know say everywhere dey free, coast clear. Now make I increase my energy and now finally sleep wetin make me do. So my brother, why they tell you all this thing? Say number one, I know say I never truly dey experience and exposed to know things like this. But the little way me I know say to go dinner, not to go propose to woman. Is it that to propose to woman or to carry am go there tell her say, oh, I don't ready for marriage, or make we marry. So anyone where you be oh, I beg go make it happen. Carry am, na my egg. Carry am like egg. If you reach there, give her the ring. She go say yes. I know my mama, she like it too. She go say yes. Yeah, thank you so much. You do well.
Carol, see, I've been trying to digest this whole thing. And I want to know, how on earth did you come up with all this?
You know say forget to they know they get small picking there. Anybody will tell you say, yeah, this person na small picking. I lie.
I'm ready. So, how do I look?
You look sweet. You look beautiful.
You look splendid. Gorgeous as always. Ready to be taken out for tea.
Oh. Okay. Dinner test. Shall we?
Sure.
Go see later now.
I'll see you later, my darling.
Oh yeah, now. Chai. Aww. Stop it! When I remember what I do for house, yeah.
Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jam yo what and don't go pass a gari. Good girl don't enter ojoro love, oh. Imitation say if you no look well, oh, you go think say na original, oh. Love don't go jam yo water don't go pass a gari. Good girl don't enter ojoro love, oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow one. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't down why you water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for ojoro head oh. Like the way they waka, eyes where they look, they follow one. Every day na 41 day na 40 oh now. Love don't jam why you water don't go pass a gari. Yawa go gas for